Hi, this is Boyden Stu, and I'm going to take you around my motorized bike. I want to show you detail on the roller. Notice it's blind. I put some holes in it. Take a look at the pedals. It's impossible to pedal a bicycle now because those are just my footrest. I took the one on the left side and made it the same as the one on the right side, so the small bike now fits it. Just to show you how this thing balances. Notice it's on the front wheel now, but if I go like this, because of the center of gravity, it's on the rear wheel. Watch your rev up. This is my throttle right here. All on 31cc. Notice I had to put that shock absorber between the engine mount, the spongy kind of thing from a toy. This is one shock absorber, and there's two others on the front fork. So right now I've got 4 shock absorbers on this bike. Anyway, it's been a lot of fun, and because it's a tiny bike, I couldn't really pedal it anyway, but now it's 100% comfortable with the pedals down in the foot pedal position, not in the pedal a bike position. Boyden Stu, and here's how you turn it off.